Now we are going to discuss about coat colors in rabbits. This is example of multiple alleles. According to Mendel, a genetical character is controlled by combined action of two genes or factors in the same loci of two homologous chromosomes. It means that each gene has two alternative forms or alleles and their expression are known as allelomorphs. Of these two, one is dominant and the other is recessive. However, some genetical characters are determined by several forms of an alleles known as multiple alleles. In last lecture, we are studied and discussed about the multiple alleles as well as their characteristics and one example, that is ABO blood group system. In this lecture, we are discussing about coat colors. In short, we repeat the characters or features of multiple alleles. The multiple alleles always belong to same locus and one allele is present at a locus at a time in chromosome. Multiple alleles always control the same character of an individual. Wild type allele is dominant over other alleles. There is no crossing over in the multiple alleles because locus is same. In series of multiple alleles, wild type is always dominant. When two mutant types are crossed, wild form cannot be recovered. The cross between two mutant alleles will always produce a mutant phenotype. These are the features of multiple alleles. The many examples are there. Out of that, this example, coat color in rabbit, shows a 5 kinds of phenotypes or skin colors. First one is colored, or it is called as agouti, dark grey. It is a wild variety. Second one, chinchilla. Third, Himalayan. Fourth, albino. Fifth, light grey. These are the 5 phenotypes, but they are controlled by 4 genes, alleles. Of these, the chinchilla variety is lighter in color. Himalayan albino variety will have pink eyes, white coat color and black color in the tips like a nose, tail and feet, that is body extremities, tips has black color. These all the characters, phenotypes shows a hierarchy or the allelic series. This series revealed by observing the phenotypes of each possible heterozygote offsprings. The coat colors in rabbit are governed by the following alleles. Capital C for full or agouti color, CH is allele for Himalayan and C small, that is for albino. Through breeding experiments, these alleles are proved and it shows a serial dominancy. These phenotypes, that is appearance of rabbits, have different genotypes involved in this series. We can study as these 4 types having different phenotypes and genotypes. The alleles four alleles are as capital C, small c ch, small ch and only small c. These phenotypes, alleles, combinations show the genotypes. The genotypes, these are in this line. We see one genotype of wild variety, that is capital C, wild, having a brown fur, or the in another term it is called as agouti. CCH is called as chinchilla, that is black tips and white fur, hence color is chinchilla. Himalayan, that is CHCH, having a white fur and the body extremities shows a black parts like a toes, nose, tips of ears, etc. And albino, it has a complete white fur, only eyes are pink in color. This can be well understood with help of this slide, that is dark grey has a different type of genotypes because dark grey or the agouti variety, this first one is agouti or dark grey or wild. This has a dominant phenotype, dominant gene, and it shows a 4 types of genotypes as shown in this chart. The capital C, another one capital C, small ch, next one is capital C, small ch, and fourth one is capital C, small c. Chinchilla variety has only one genotype because it is present only in homozygous case, and when chinchilla is heterozygous with Himalayan gene, it shows light grey color like this. That is, light grey have no any special gene but or allele, but it is a heterozygous condition of chinchilla and as well as Himalayan. This genotype, that is CCH, and small c, these two are light grey. Himalayan, it is having two genotypes, that is homozygous Himalayan and heterozygous with albino. Heterozygous with chinchilla produces a light grey. Hence, in this example, last one is albino. This albino has a homozygous recessive. In this slide, you can observe the 5 phenotypes, but they are carried by the 4 alleles, and that 4 alleles show the dominancy at different level, and the inheritance is a serial one. Again, you can compare this chart, that is dark grey or agouti phenotype has a possible genotype and phenotype. Dark grey is called as wild variety or agouti. Then it is in this first chart you can observe or compare the dominancy level. That is, capital C is dominant to all. Then the CCH, that is allele for chinchilla, it is not dominant to anyone. If it is dominant combined with albino, it can produce a light grey. But Chinchilla has only one genotype, homozygous. Then the Himalayan, this allele is dominant to white. That is, Himalayan has such a two types of the genotypes, and white is a pure recessive, only one genotype is there. In this way, you can understood the genotypes and phenotypes of the rabbit coat color. If we see the crosses of these different varieties of coat colors, you can observe the dominancy, complete dominance, codominance, etc. In this cross between agouti and chinchilla. Agouti genotype homozygous dominant, and in chinchilla it is also homozygous case, and this cross produces F1, which is heterozygous agouti. If inbreeding, F2 generation produces 3:1 ratio, means dominance in between these two is according to Mendel, complete dominance is there, and hence two types of genotypes are present in agouti, but they are following the law of dominance in this example. In next cross, we can see the cross between agouti and albino. Again, agouti homozygous capital C, and albino small c. It will produces the F1, which is agouti, that is colored, capital C, and when inbred, it produces the 3:1 ratio, 3:1 ratio, that is 25% homozygous agouti, 50% heterozygous agouti, means it follows the law of dominance. In next cross, the cross between chinchilla and albino. This chinchilla variety, chinchilla coat color, has only one genotype, homozygous, CCH and CCH. Albino, it is also has a pure recessive homozygous, small c. When these two crossed, the F1 gate is a light grey. It is intermediate phenotype, that is CCH small c, and if they are inbred, the F2 generation we get three varieties, that is chinchilla, which has a 25%, light grey are 50%, and albino are again 25%, means it shows a 1:2, 2:1 ratio, and this ratio shows that the incomplete dominance, that is the multiple alleles shows their characters, and in remaining crosses, possible combinations, if we study, this cross shows the genes capital C or allele for the Himalayan, allele for the albino, or allele for the chinchilla are the allelomorphs of each other. You can see the parents agouti with Himalayan, or Himalayan albino with a albino. They produces the 3:1 ratio. In this way, the multiple alleles of the coat colors shows that these four alleles, capital C for agouti coat color, CCH for the chinchilla color, which shows a partial defect in pigment formation. The Himalayan allele shows the pigmentation in only body extremities, and small c which shows a lack of pigmentation. The multiple alleles shows a different type of dominancy, and series of rabbit coat color alleles shows dominancy level. In this slide you can observe capital C is more than remaining all, and small c is recessive to remaining all. Other two are mutant varieties. They show hierarchy, that is chinchilla gene allele is recessive to agouti and dominant to Himalayan, dominant to small c, that is albino also. Same way, ABO blood group system also has the four varieties of phenotype controlled by these three alleles. There are some conditional mutations. In case of the rabbit coat color, the Himalayan variety CH allele is a temperature sensitive conditional mutant. The enzyme is only functional at low temperature. Therefore, dark fur will only occur in cooler areas of the cooler areas of the body, means body extremity parts, that is tip of snout, tip of the tail, or the foot region, that is paws of that rabbit, are having a dark color. In this way, the multiple alleles control the character coat color in rabbit.